Hi guys, welcome to Abhyaas Law Prep. So the latest update is Tamil Nadu National Law School has released its notification against vacant seats. So if you want to look at that notification, just open your Google, type NLU Vacant Seats 2025 and the first website that you'll see here is Abhyaas Law Prep. Click on that and here you will find every NLU's name against its vacant seats notification and also application link. You can see all the NLUs are listed here. So today we are looking for Tamil Nadu TNNLS. So for the notification you can just click here and you will be redirected to the notification. So here we can see to view the admission against vacant seats notification, click here. So let's just first look at the notification for now. So this is the notification. There are a lot of details in this notification, but the important ones here are Tamil Nadu is offering two courses, BA LLB and BCom LLB. Okay, and for that also in BA LLB, look at this. The All India category ranks are different compared to the domicile ranks. Domicile is nothing but the Tamil Nadu category ranks. The residents of Tamil Nadu, they will be having different rank preferences in CLAT compared to the All India residents. Okay, so for All India, the general rank, it starts with 5,763 and below. And in the same way, we have ranks for OBC, SC, ST and wards of Kashmiri migrants. When it comes to Tamil Nadu category, that is the domicile, the general starts with 7,912th rank and below. Okay. In the same way, there are some other categories also, BC, MBC and NDC, BC, SC, GSSQ, MBC, DNC, all of these, they belong to the Tamil Nadu residents. Okay, they are the categories of that particular state. Now, let's look at BCom LLB. Here, the All India category general rank starts with 5,947 and below. And then we have OBC, SC, wards of Kashmiri migrants. Okay, and we have the respective ranks here. And then it comes to the Tamil Nadu category. Again, the general BC, MBC, BC, SC, GSSQ, all the respective ranks have been listed here. I think most of you who are watching this video might be hailing from other states other than Tamil Nadu. So please make sure to check these numbers properly as per your category. Okay, and now there is a detailed description on the physically disabled quota here. If you scroll down, now we have the links here for BA LLB Honours Program and BCom LLB Honours Program. So click on the one you are interested in. Click on the link. It will redirect you to another page where you will be asked all these documents. So be prepared with them. And please note that the email ID which you are registering is the same email ID through which the university will send you the mail. Okay, so please mind that. Fill all your details. Okay, your father's name, mother's name, guardian's name, occupation. Okay, some of them are optional, some of them are important. All the star marked one are compulsory, mandatory. If you don't fill them, you can't be directed to the next form. Okay, so after you click next, you will be directed to something. You will be directed to the fee payment thing. This is the link where you will be paying your online fee. Okay. So here you can see that you can either pay through UCO Bank. For that you will be clicking here, or you can also pay through State Bank of India. Let us say you don't have any of these banks, then you can just take the details of this particular, everything, account name, bank name, IFSC code, everything is presented here, and you can deposit the fee through your online bank account. Okay, so let us say you have chosen the State Bank of India. And then again you will be redirected to that page. See here, payment category and all, you will be paying the fee, and then you will come back to the notification. After your fee payment, a receipt would be generated. Okay, and this receipt should be uploaded in this particular link. Upload the fee payment proof in the link given below. Okay, so there are 3 forms that you need to fill. Please be mindful of that. After the receipt, click this particular link. Here there are again some details that you need to fill and upload the receipt that you have received and choose the program that you are interested in. Mind that if you are interested in both BA and BCom, you have to pay 2 separate fees, and the fees is 1000 rupees for general category and 750 rupees if you belong to SC or ST category. That is here in notification. I'll show you. See. In the instructions, it has been mentioned that, yeah. So, for general, you will be paying 1000 rupees, and if you belong to SC or ST category, you will be paying 750 rupees. And the last date to submit this is 6th of July. Okay. And we have one more important thing here. To submit the filled in application form, the Google link will be available from 3 p.m. on 28th June. So you know that it's already available as you're watching this video. And one more thing. Yeah. The last date for notification of the TNNLU website for shortlisted and waitlisted candidates, it would be present in the website on 9th of July. So if you're watching this video, if you're interested in TNNLU, please go now and fill all the forms required and pay the fees. Okay, hope you will be getting the seat. Thank you for watching the video.